Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Camtasia Studio. I'll also be talking about how to record, trim and add video clips, annotating, and making transitions. I'll show you how to record on Camtasia and its basic functions. Right here we can choose to have full screen, and right here is to have custom and we can choose our dimensions. Over here on the right we can have our camera on and off and our audio on and off. I recommend using a device for your audio so that there's no feedback and background noises. And once you're done with these choices, you click here to record your video. So right now I'm recording on Camtasia, and after you're done recording on Camtasia, you can press F10 to stop recording. And the Camtasia editor will show up. And then the video will appear right here in your media bin, along with the audio soundtrack and the screen here. Annotations uses text, arrows, and shapes to enhance the video. To make annotations, you click here on the far left, Annotations. Right here we have the callouts, so to add them you click and drag it onto the video, right here like this. And to change the text, we can just type it like this. And then we can also change the size of it by clicking on the corners of these bubbles. Make it smaller or bigger. And we can play with like the fonts and the alignments of the callouts. Right here we have the arrows and lines. So same thing, we click and drag them to indicate where we're pointing at. So likewise, you can also adjust where they're pointing at, and also their size as well, and their thickness and their opacity. And we can also add shapes onto video clips. So I'm gonna add a star, like right here, and like we can also change the color and the size of it. And every time we add a different annotation, they get added to different tracks, as right here. And we can move how long duration of these to be. So I'm gonna move them aside like this. So they will appear from the order of like so. And I'll press play. So the first one you see will be the star. Arrow, arrow, text. And then they disappear because they ended, because they didn't show for this duration. So this is the basics of how you can do annotations. Now I'll talk about video importing and trimming them. So to import video, so you right click the media bin and you click import media, and then you choose your recordings that you want to import to. So I'm just gonna choose a random one. So this one shows up, and to add them to your timeline, you click and drag them through here like this, and this is all one video clip. And then you can zoom out to get a better picture of where it is. So, and then I'm gonna also add this too, and this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, now we have our 2 video clips, and I'll show you how to trim them. So right here is the playhead. So this is where it points to where you're playing the video. So I'm gonna start from here, and let's say I don't like this part of the beginning of this video clip that I've imported from and added to a timeline. So I don't like 10 seconds of it. And once I've selected these 10 areas, I click on this scissor to cut it or trim it. Now we've successfully removed the video trimming, this part of the video. Now we can press play and notice
to set up a breakout section for the PC for the breakout section.
So once again, I'll show you how to trim. So let's say I want to trim somewhere in the middle of it. So I can just click on the red part of the playhead, and then click trim again. And now I've successfully trimmed off both the audio clip and the video recording. So if I press, and right here the line here indicates the part where I've successfully trimmed. Type it like this. Get smaller or bigger. So this is how you add video clips and decide trim them. Transitions are used to make the video flow a lot better between other video clips. So to do that, so you go here in the far left, click on transitions. I would have it open, and there's different types and styles that you can choose from of these transitions. So for now, I just view all of them. Personally, I recommend using fade or fade through black for both like the introduction or the ending of each video clip. And to add a transition, so you likewise you click and drag them onto your video clip like this. So now in the beginning we will have a fade through black. Let's say I'm gonna have fade for the ending of this video track, and let's say I want something unique, and I can do like page turn or fold. And to view them, so we use the playhead again and make sure that the playhead is over this beginning of the timeline and press play. So allow us fade through black, and now we're gonna approach fade.
To set up a breakout section for the PC, for the breakout.
Fast forward. So that's page flip. So transitions are pretty easy to add and implement it onto your video clips. So this is how you use transitions.